Samantalahin natin yung summer na pagpalipad-lipad ng drone. Yan, hindi masyadong mahangin, no? So ayan, so samahan nyo ako, punta tayo ng back 40. Testing natin yung mga quick shots, kung ano man yung mga gagalawin natin. Papakita natin sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga pinakamagandang shots na pwede natin gamitin sa mga vlog natin.
Descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative. You should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time. You're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. I never got.
Lakad ng may ngiti, dala ang pangarap para sa pamilya. Tuloy lang ang buhay. Minsan napapagod, minsan nalulungkot, pero laban lang, hindi sumusuko. Sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat galaw, sa vlog ko makikita ang kwento ng buhay. Fairfax TV, buhay Canada, OFW life, work, travel, saya. Sa bawat araw, sa bawat vlog, tara sabay tayong mangarap at mag-enjoy.
Oh yan guys, magtas muna tayo. Mukhang di masyadong mahangin, kaya testing natin yung drone. Ganda yung paligid, ganyan naman. Kaya anuhin natin yung, samantalahin natin yung summer na pagpalipad-lipad ng drone. Yan, di masyadong mahangin, no? So ayan, so samahan nyo ako, punta tayo ng back 40. Testing natin yung mga quick shots, kung ano man yung mga gagalawin natin. Papakita natin sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga pinakamagandang shots na pwede natin gamitin sa mga vlog natin. So yan, tara. So yun guys, puntahan lang natin yung bike. Magbabike lang tayo papuntang back 40. So papakita natin sa inyo yung gaano baka dali lang gamitin yung mga quick shots. Nakalak. So yan, dali natin. Then guys, punta na tayo ng back 40. So it's around 6 o'clock na ng hapon. So sana hindi masyadong mahangin doon, kasi dito din naman. So kailangan apply tayo. Tara. Hello. Yes, ganda nung ano. Ganda nung mga bahay ng ibon. Then guys, dito na tayo sa may back 40. Ayan. Woohoo!
Bike pa ah. Tapos pumunta ka dito sa farm.
Oh, dito ka pala. O yan guys, dito na tayo sa may ano. Back 40. So dati nagpapilipad na tayo rito dati. So ayan yung bahay ni High Life oh, Back 40. Yan yung bike. Ito yung tropa. So anuhin pala natin. Nagdo-drone dito kaya may kausap lang eh. Pero anuhin natin, mas marami tayong matututunan ngayon. Dahil may plano akong papuntahin dun sa may lake. Maganda yung lake dun. No? Ayan guys. So. Tapos mararating din natin yung hospital. Kung pwede. Tingnan natin. Malalayo na rin yun. So ayan guys. Tara. Ano tayo? Sit up tayo. Ito. Nalabas ko na yung drone dito. So ayan. Kapag malakasan ng highlight. Ayan. Tapos ito natin ito.
Wala kami magawa eh.
Set up.
Times 5.
Export yun.
Ha?
Export.
Ha?
X5. Mahal pa masyado.
Export? Ano? Ano yun?
Pinasurveillance kita.
Oh, tapos ginawa mo.
Pero
Oh.
I cannot catch them. Hindi ganyan mo lang usama
Tapos?
sa akin.
Dikindapin sa na kita.
Punta. Mahirap yun.
Patutubos kita sa tao ko.
para ang yaman-yaman ah, para patubos ah.
Sabihin ko sa akin sa'yo na yan.
Papa, di open ko.
No, that's not mine. Kay Tito yan.
Dalawa to?
Ha? Androon.
Anong inulam nyo?
Ha?
Anong inulam nyo?
Tapat
Oh.
Dito na lang siguro. Ano? Pero ganito lang. Hindi naman kasi accurate itong ano eh. Minsan di accurate.
Yung
Pagbabaan niya.
Paano sakit yung paa ko?
hindi control mo.
si Maslow eh.
Control na lang yun. Hindi naman nag-ano yun. No?
Paano sakit yung...
Ay, hindi namamansin.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ah!
Ah,
Sino yung kaya?
mamaya ano ba yun? For example,
Tepa. Ah, bukas na. Bye pa. Bye.
sabi ka kasi ko naman. Alam mo naman bulag ako.
Imalay mo bang ano?
For example, kaya.
Okay.
Kukunin mo ito.
Ngayon
Ang gagawin mo, isasanay mo, ito paglalaruin mo.
Okay.
Di ba nakikita mo, ito pagkaan. Paglaruin mo lang, ang parang mahirap kuminsan. Pero pag mapaglaro mo siya,
Yung hindi ka gamit ng mga ano, quick shots.
ito kasi makukuha mo maganda, pero isanay mo lang tali yung kuhang-kuha mo na yung mismong Kunting kwan lang. Ano, hindi mo kailangan na pag once kasi nakuha mo yung galaw niya na sports mode at saka manual.
Hip hoop!
Isanay mo lagi ang pagkukan mo pag once na nagaganito ka. Tapos ang shot mo, for example, ito. Gagawin tayo. Kala mo bababa siya, pero hindi siya bababa. Pag natin yun. Nag-edit ka?
CapCut.
CapCut? Di ba may laptop ka?
Oo, di maka-download ng kung anong mga ano.
Ha?
Software, di maka-download. Kailangan i-update. Lumang-luma na yung laptop ko. Tinitry ko ngayon pre ng
Trinay mo na ba ito? Trinay mo na bang bilis ako? Sa mismong Shopee?
Saan?
May Shopee ka pa rin?
Wala naman ah.
Hindi, di sa Pilipinas.
Wala.
Ay wala, hindi ka umu-order noon?
Hindi naman.
Ay, kasi
Bakit
doon kasi
meron
yung
ba?
application doon kasi pwede mong bilhin, isa-send sa'yo sa email yung compatible sa laptop mo na pang pwede. Magkano lang, mga sabihin natin 100 to 200. Isa-send sa'yo yung kwan yung sa email yung kwan kung paano i-kwan. Tapos ikaw tuturuan ka nila kung paano i-install mo. Pagka-install mo, at least meron.
So in this, papaliparin natin siya ngayon. Kukuha na natin yung sunset. Kaya yan, dito tayo ngayon. So i-check natin ngayon yung mga moves ng straight lang siya sa sunset. Okay? So titesting natin.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got that Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter shots. Till I drop, gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy tryna take it higher, got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company, they all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete, oh I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break.
반짝이는 waves. 향긋한 가을 향해 갈게.
invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any bad karma. Got a lot of that in La Vida Loca, just wanna let it all go. Yeah, I can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna go home, oh I can't sleep. Weather's so nice, only got good vibes. Yeah, we're here chillin', chillin' in paradise. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break.
So what kind is it?
4 Pro.
Mavic?
It's a mini. Mini 4.
I thought it was Mavic. That's cool. Yeah, my dad has a Zoom too.
But this one only mini.
Those are good drones.
Just also I'm just trying just to fly like this.
They're fun.
Yeah,
I enjoy them.
Yeah.
And at least it's nice and open here.
Yes. Unlike there on the town, there's a lot of people maybe they're thinking maybe they're just being spy. Yeah.
But you can get such good views from up there.
Yeah. Yeah, but I've been just trying to catch sunset like this. Yeah, this
Oh
is
yeah.
better.
You can get some really pretty sunsets
Yeah.
there. Over here, summer out there. He's top view.
I saw him up there before, but depends how high
over there. He's out. He's that way.
Can I see where you are?
Yes. Right here.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. Yeah, he's kind of.
How long of flight time do you have? 40 minutes?
No, like 25.
25.
The airplane. Not a bird.
An airplane straight flying.
No, we have limit only power 140 meter. But they have warnings. They have warnings only for 140. But
Yeah.
no going up because we have airplane.
Yeah.
Yeah. They have
We
already.
live out in the country and haven't gone up this far, but I went on the control like I said to 500 meters.
Yeah.
Getting a little thin out there.
Yeah. I didn't want to go in the clouds, that is.
To catch the sunset and then another view. Yeah, because mostly Saturday, Sunday I have only time to fly and it's very hot and then not like this one.
Beautiful, you need
Yeah.
to do it. Have fun.
Yeah, thank you. You too.
Oh, I'll try.
Boing.
Try will.
Show them folks what happened when you relentless, and your actions start to match the path for what you intended. Put the time in to perfect the craft, I'm the truest in it. Ain't a doubt about it either. When it's in, you better own it. I'ma shout it out the speakers from a small city where not many make it out the gate. I put my all in it to leave no debate on if I'm great. Plenty folks who got opinions that'll never know the stakes. When you solo every battle and your soul ain't got the faith. I'ma pray, I'm a hero, but I'm Clark without the cape. Put it on, I'm about to fly when I'm almost about to break. Understand you hold a trial and the triumph in your hand. What's the plan? You can't just take what they give you. You a man, you was chose. This life can get darker before it glows, but we shining and it shows through the flows and the pros that I speak. That's why you can find me at the peak. I get the climbing just when it's looking steep. With my feet dragging in place, I'ma still keep it moving, holding the pace. Feel the drive I can't ever replace. This the life I chose, and my hands still holding the wheel that I never know that it take. When the sight of the sun bring a smile, early morn make it work all the while. That the evening brings for the nighttime rings, and the moonlight sings me a sound.
Changes, pauwi na natin. Kato, lalanding na. Dahil nakakita naman natin ano na yung sunset. So ayan, medyo ito paano nakakuha tayo ng ilang footage naman. May ma-upload tayo ng maipila sa inyo.
I was molded for this, built and bred by the days I could never forget.
Paano natin siya dito?
Shape this land with my own hands, so pay what I'm worth. Give my respect to the grind, I'll never short on the work. If I be blessed to see old age, I'll smile at the dirt, knowing I own what is grown and pass it all down on my first. If you let some inside you die, then I'm here to rebirth. Never lose your purpose on this earth. With my feet dragging in place.
So sakto lang guys, 34%. So natin tayong mag auto return. So yan, 34, then okay na siya. So yan guys, so abangan nyo na lang yung mga papakita natin, yung mga kuha natin ngayon. So yun.
瞳をそっと拭い憎らしい気持ちにそっとさよなら